today Kaizer Chiefs lost to an Angolan team. The score was 1. They scored us somehow, yeah, boy. And I just want to say what we really deserved it. I always okay. I can't just like say that out there, but like the way things have been happening and stuff, about and the way you actually played, I believe was like we actually like deserve it. If I'm being honest, and yeah, all this about face, I don't know where I'm pants, where I'm going to the pants, but yeah, man, there's a lot. We're actually even like a team that doesn't even. We are actually just a family that doesn't even have like a father, but somehow a natural because of like the issue and stuff. And I don't wanna lie, it actually showed ukuthi ucoach vele beyangekho because uNazri Mnabi went there ukuthi ayo spy on this other team vele besodlala nayo vele yabo, and it showed ukuthi like we didn't prepare for that for this match. It was a thing ukuthi we are supposed to play the way we are used to. We're just supposed to play to the way we are used to as for basically focus on opponent. We didn't check the advantages and disadvantages, and somehow we got scored the same way we're getting scored about win when we were playing against into is Kukune.